Pino, hey, come get the bone. Pino, get the bone. It's a treat. It's a treat. Come here. Come here.
Get your bone.
Get it.
Yeah.
Get your bone, Pino. Come on. Come here.
She's like, that thing's gross. Give me
I got you a treat. I got you a treat, Pino. What's the deal, huh? Here, try to feed it to her. Pino, would you rather have steak? Did you see her lick her lips? Get your treat, Pino. Treat. Treat.
She's hiding. It's disgusting. What was Daddy thinking buying
Would you rather have steak? Would you rather have some steak? You want some steak instead?
We had steak tonight.
You want some steak instead? Some dinner? Food? Is that what you want, some steak dinner? You want to go get some steak dinner? Come on. You want some food? Come on. Come on. Let's get some steak dinner. Come here, Pino. I can see your eyes. Okay. Come here. Would you rather have some steak? Is that what the problem is? Okay, yep, you'll eat steak. Won't eat dog treats, though.